You see, you folks may not know this, but Christmas as we know it today, almost what?
That's right. Not long ago, many folks were ready to let the holiday fade away like the catalog.
Della named Charles Dickens wrote A Christmas Carol, and it reminded everybody about the true meaning of the holidays and the warmth feelings of one sweet love.
That was nigh to 40 years ago, and Christmas is now the most important day of the year. But speaking of being with the one we love, we take you now to a tavern cabin, rented for $8 a month on the outskirts of town, just beyond the Grizzly Creek reference. It's the one with the wreath on the door and the patchwork stockings hanging from the heart.
The home of Jim and Della Dillingham. You can read that on their mailbox, but as you can see, the letter has been almost completely lost to the elements, and there's not enough money to repair it.
A small craft was purchased from the carver when Jim's paycheck was a solid $30 a week. Now his weekly allotment has dropped to $20. It seems that the letters were contracted from Dillingham to a more modest and unassuming.
Looks like Della's sending Jim off to work, but they'll spend Christmas Day together, and that's what's important.
Have a quick day at work. Tomorrow's going to be wonderful.
Thank you, Della, dear. I love you.
Love you.
Boys, you better clap, all right?
Jim had a busy day ahead of him at the assay office. Weighing gold for others when your own pockets are empty is a tough job. But Jim is a hard worker, and tomorrow is Christmas.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, and everywhere you go, take a look at the fine again, listening once again, the candy canes and silver lanes aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, toys in every store, and the prettiest sight to see is the holiday movie on your own front door. Where all houses and businesses to wish your body again. Now little Tommy will go for a walk is the hope of Jamison Town. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. And everywhere you go, there's a trivial tales to tell, and Calico Park as well. The sturdy kind of does line the wall. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. So the bells and songs.
Dillinghams of which they took mighty pride. The first was Jim's oak-handled Colt single-action army pistols. A gift from his father when he married.
The other was Della's hay. A cameo cake herself lived across the mountains. Della would have washed her hair in the water just to see your cake turn green with envy.
And Wyatt Earp himself would have turned and walked right back home had he seen Jim's oak-handled pistols. Such fine specimens of Colt's ingenuity they were.
Della knew she had to buy something fine and rare, something just a little worthy of the honor of being used by Jim. But with only $1.87, there wasn't much to choose from. Unless, without giving time to second guess herself, Della raced into town and headed straight for Madame de Mundo's establishment, located just above the brisket.
It's me, Deuce.
You're Deuce?
Deuce.
I can't believe it. Oh, all right, let's see now what you're doing.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Della ran up the rickety stairs, collected herself, and...
Madam Jolino, will you buy my hair? Didn't I wanted to mess up inside of the $20. $20 for a lifetime. For Jim. Give it to me quick before I change my mind.
The next 2 hours flew by faster than a June bug in a tornado. Della toured from the general store to Blacksmith's now, and still she didn't find anything worthy of Jim. Until she headed straight into Potts and Culver's trading post. Potts and Culver's trading post.
Oh yeah, that's right. You thought about that. Hi. Hey, it's going great.
Yeah, but we're gonna do your life.
Oh yeah, we're trying pots.
Somebody ever made for Jim and no one else. It was nothing like it in any of the other stores.
It was a hand tool around the bed with double holsters. $100, 2 open single-action army pistols. It was simple, yet elegant, for greater in value and substance alone, and not highfalutin ornamentation. The perfect gift for Jim. But how much?
$21.
Della thought about all the sacrificing and scrimping it took to get that $21.87 in her purse. And yet, she didn't hesitate.
I'll take it. Nothing was too good for her Jim. Her purse may be almost empty, but her heart was overflowing with the idea of presenting him with this amount, just perfect enough for Jim's precious pistols. Della, keep going before I get over. She knew she only had an hour before getting about all this land. She wanted to survey the damage under her head.
Now you see, this is the part we butt in and tell you all about how Jim and Della were feeling, but this is the best part. We don't want to ruin the mood, so we're just gonna stand over here.
Jim doesn't kill me and say I look like one of Miss Elliott's truant schoolboys.
Della, dear, is that you?
Jim, you're home already.
Yeah, I thought I heard you come in here.
Oh, Jim, darling, don't look at me that way. I had my hair cut and sold it because I couldn't live through Christmas without giving you a present. It'll grow out again, you'll see. You won't mind, will you?
you love my girl any less. Yeah, she is beautiful as the day I married her. However, if you go ahead and open my Christmas gift here, you may see why you haven't gone there for a minute at first.
Oh, Jim, the combs! The combs I stayed out for weeks in the general store. The combs! The combs for my hair. Oh, my hair grows so fast, Jim, so fast. But look, I got your present right here on the table. Isn't it a dandy? Now you'll wear your father's pistols just like he did. Oh,
Della, let's put our gifts away and let them keep a while. They're much too nice to use at present. Della, I sold the pistols to get the money for your combs. Della, you're all I want for Christmas. All I want, my whole life through. Each day is just like Christmas. Anytime that I'm
only 87 cents left in their name, Jim and Della decided to splurge and have dinner out that night at the grill. The one right there on Main Street, actually.
There's the windmill, Goldie's place, and the blacksmith, and we're just about to enter the grill, Liv.
Donations for the poor! Donations for the poor! Help tackle the unfortunate this holiday season.
It's only 87 cents.
Your coins will provide a needy orphan with a bright Christmas. Merry Christmas, you know.
Merry Christmas.
It's those who know what it's like to be poor who give the most. Donations for the poor! Donations for the poor!
So Jim and Della had dinner at home that night, but their coffee and shops tasted better than they ever had before. Giving just makes you feel good, don't it? The Magi, as you know, were wise men, wonderfully wise men, who brought gifts to the babe in the manger.
They invented the art of giving Christmas presents. Being wise and gifts of the government's wise as well. Gold, frankincense, and myrrh, all laid at the feet of the newborn king.
Here we are told our tale of two foolish children of God who sacrificed for each other the greatest treasures of their house, and in doing so unlocked a far greater gift, their love for each other. They are the wisest. They are the Magi.
for Christmas.